Welcome to the installation guide of your SP Connect Universal Bike Mount. The SP Connect system requires two parts, the phone case and the mounting bracket. First, insert your phone into the new case. Second, remove the mounting bracket from its box and determine where you would like to mount it. It can be mounted to the handlebars or to the stem. Ensure that one of the rubber gaskets has been inserted into the bottom of the bracket. Next, free the mounting strap by unscrewing the plastic locking cylinder. Slide the strap into one of the two holes on the base of the bracket. Which hole you choose depends on your preferred mounting position. Once again, ensure that one of the rubber gaskets has been inserted into the bottom of the bracket. Position the bracket to your preferred location and first feed the strap through the hole of the bracket and then the hole at the end of the strap. Take the plastic locking cylinder and twist it onto the end of the strap. Continue twisting the cylinder until the strap is tight. Take this time to position the strap so that the tail is out of the way. It may take a while to tighten it completely, so take your time. The angle of the bracket can be adjusted using the Allen bolt located at the bottom. Make sure that it is fully tightened to prevent your phone from moving while you're on a ride. To attach your phone, orient the two horizontal slots to match the two vertical pegs. This will require you to hold your phone sideways. Once in position, twist your phone 90 degrees. This will lock it in place. Remember to always keep your eyes on the road while riding. Safety first. Now that your phone is locked in, you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching.